Greenlane is a public commercial vehicle charging network designed to make managing your electric truck fleet easier and more efficient. Our suite of tools work seamlessly together to streamline your operations and save you time. There's the Greenlane Driver App, the Greenlane Fleet Portal, and the Greenlane On-Ramp API. Let's start with the Greenlane Fleet Portal. Here, you can register vehicles and pair each one with an RFID charging fob. That means drivers just tap at any Greenlane charger and they're good to go. It's seamless for drivers and gives fleet managers a powerful tool for tracking usage and costs. The Fleet Portal lets you monitor active charging sessions and access charging history for easy reporting and review. Need to reserve a charger for your driver? No problem. Our industry-leading reservation system is simple, intuitive, and built for fleets. Just pick a station, choose a time, whether it's later today or months ahead. Add the vehicle, assign a driver, and you're done. The connector is reserved and your driver is all set. Now let's talk about the Greenlane Driver App. When a reservation is made, your driver gets a notification with all the details. If anything changes like time, lane, or location, the driver is notified. In the app, drivers can find Greenlane stations, check charger availability, view charging history, and download receipts. Payments are flexible too. Public customers can drive up and use a credit card or pay through the Greenlane app. And Greenlane Edge customers can simply tap their key fob. For fleet managers, logistics companies, and OEMs, Greenlane will offer our on-ramp API solution. It integrates with your existing logistics software, giving you easy access to public charging, reservations, and centralized billing right where you already work. We also offer a white label solution, so you can customize the platform to meet your needs. Greenlane is a public network built for fleets, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. Drivers can quickly pull up and power up with fast, reliable charging along major freight corridors. With 24/7 expert support, Greenlane helps maximize uptime and reduce range anxiety to keep your fleet moving, charged, confident, and ready for the road ahead.